Learning Toolkit.
Let's learn all about Spinosaurus! How do you say that again? Spinosaurus. Can you say it with me? Spinosaurus. Do you know how big a Spinosaurus was? It was one of the biggest carnivores, that's a meat-eating dinosaur, that ever lived. It was bigger than a T-Rex. It was as long as a semi-trailer truck. How much did Spinosaurus weigh? It weighed as much as 3 elephants. Spinosaurus means spine lizard. Can you guess why? Because of these huge spines on its back. The spines grew up to 7 feet long. That's taller than a human. Much like the plates on a stegosaurus, scientists think that the spines were either used to keep it warm from the sun or to attract other Spinosauruses. It had a unique head for a carnivore, just like a crocodile. It was long and thin. And like crocodiles, it's thought that Spinosaurus could also swim. Unlike lots of other meat-eating dinosaurs, Spinosaurus had large arms. So strong. This meant that as well as walking on 2 legs, it could also walk on all 4s. Spinosaurus was found in North Africa. They lived about 100 million years ago in the Cretaceous period. Cretaceous. So what have we learned? We learned Spinosaurus was one of the biggest carnivores that ever lived. Bigger than a T-Rex, as long as a semi-trailer truck, and weighing as much as 3 elephants. Spinosaurus means spine lizard because of those huge spines. The spines on its back were bigger than a human. They were up to 7 feet long, and they were either used to keep it warm or to attract other Spinosauruses. It had a head like a crocodile. It could probably swim, and also walked on 2 legs or 4. How versatile! Spinosaurus was found in North Africa, and it lived about 100 million years ago in the Cretaceous period. We hope you enjoyed learning about the incredible Spinosaurus. To learn about more dinosaurs, you can click subscribe or click the links at the end of this video. Bye, Spinosaurus!